Hi, my name is Muhammad Safwan. My role is workshop workers.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Muaz. My role is workshop workers.
Hi, my name is Nazrul Aiman and my role is supervisor workshop.
Hi, my name is Kah Wei. My role is customer.
Hi, my name is Haziq Danial. My role is local people.
And our scenario is overhaul engine.
Hey, why my motorcycle won't start? I need to call someone.
Hello.
Hey dude, it's me. I'm in a bit of bigger.
What's up, man? Are you okay?
My motorcycle won't start.
Oh no, where are you?
I'm at my workplace.
Alright, I will be in a jiffy. Just hang tight.
A few moments later.
What's in the problem, dude?
I don't know, man. I think it's the engine. Where is the workshop nearby?
My friend has a workshop nearby. Let's go.
Meanwhile.
What are you doing?
I refill the engine oil. Why?
I tell you around.
Why do you say my technique is incorrect?
Look at the engine, man. You put diesel in the engine oil tank. Who work at this station?
Me, I work at this station. Why?
I tell you are wrong.
No, you are wrong.
You're wrong.
No, you are wrong.
You're wrong.
No, you are wrong.
Yeah.
Hey, Nazrul.
Yo guys, chill. Assalamualaikum. Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam.
Why you guys agree? Oh, nah, it's nothing.
Can I do a physical for my motorcycle?
Oh, the motorcycle lah. Nazrul, Daniel, let's see the motorcycle.
Let's go.
Kah Wei, I need to call someone.
Okay.
Check the engine.
Okay. I think we need to do the overhaul.
What?
I need the piston sideway.
How much is the cost to overhaul the engine?
Maybe 600 to 2,000 ringgit.
Do you reckon overuse or overthrottling your motorcycle?
I think I was because I rested on my way to my home last night.
Huh?
This it make weird noise when you are using it.
Yes, it sounds like my grandma when she got an asthma attack. How long can it take to overhaul the engine?
Depends on your answer. I think it's around 2 to 8 weeks. For inquiries reason, may I take your phone number?
Yes, sure. It's 012 2233 445.
Alright, thank you.
Do you need a lift?
Yes, sure.
That's all from us.
We as a team think
That overusing or overthrottling
Your motorcycle.
It's bad for the engine.
Thank you for watching.
bye.
Bye.